Kungene ngesankahlo umfundisi uMbhoro nabesilisa ababili beyolanda iy'ngane esikoleni iMatediso Primary School. Lezi ngane beyozilanda ezimbili zabafana-ke, enye befunda ugrade RR kanye nebefunda ugrade 2. Kubika ukuthi-ke abazukulu bakhe laba uMbhoro. Evidweni ephostwe ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana lapho-ke umfundisi uMbhoro echaza khona ngokwenzekile-ke, umfundisi uMbhoro uyakuveza ukuthi-ke angeke aze avume-ke ukuthi-ke axhashazwe kuthiwa akakhokhe isondlo sezingane unina wazo sengasekho emhlabeni. Uphinda asho futhi nokusho ukuthi-ke kwayilo nina walezi ngane washo ona-ke wangcwatshwa uyena uMbhoro. Eqhubeka uMbhoro ekhuluma kwevidiyo ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana uthi kwaleli bhokisi le-casket ke elangcwaba lonina wengane ngo-April-ke lakhishwa imina umfundisi uMbhoro. Manje umndeni kamakoti wendodana wami usufuna ukungihlukumeza uthi angiqhubeke ngikhokhele imali yesondlo ngiyondla wona lo mndeni. Angeke ngikuvume mina lokho. Mina ngizokwenza isiqiniseko sokuthi-ke ngiyazithatha iy'ngane lezi-ke ngizigcina ngakumina, ngizondlela mina. Angizokhipha mina imali ngondle umndeni wakamakoti kandodana.
They claim maintenance from me. I must give them money to maintain these children. They took their children, they can't even support them, they want money under them Mphoro.
Eqhubeka ke chaza ubaba uMbhoro ke waveza nokuthi indodana yakhe iye yalimala-ke kusona futhi-ke lesi sigameko.
Siko Matsidiso, ke ma mistress Webster. Mrs. Webster, mobilize the teachers. This is the man who is my son. He has children. I even helped Batuba to bury that woman. Casket bamupatileng kayona ke tšhelete ya Moporo. The toilets mole ne le tšhelete ya Moporo. This is how they thank him. They attacked him and they destroyed him. And look what they have done Kokoloing. They threw stones, destroying, attacking. This is what is
Department of Education ke eGauteng isigxeke kakhulu isenzo esenziwe umfundisi uMbhoro sokuthi-ke angene ngesankahlo ngaphakathi kwesikole-ke ayothatha-ke izingane-ke ngaphandle kwemvume-ke yothisha-ke. Department-ke iphinde yakuveza ukuthi-ke bekukhona impela umbango we-custody, umbango-ke ukuthi-ke iy'ngane kumele zihlale nobani njengoba-ke unina wezingane eseshonile. I-department iyaveza ukuthi-ke kwafika esikoleni-ke ugogo wabazukulwana-ke oqhamuka ngasesayidini likamama lapho esho khona ukuthi-ke iy'ngane akumele bazivumele ukuthi ziphume kumbe zithathwe uyise wazo-ke ngoba akazithathi ngokwemvume futhi akayithathi-ke ngendlela efanele. Kuvela kule statement-ke futhi ukuthi-ke yikho-ke isikole-ke sike sathatha savalela iy'ngane ngaphakathi emagcekeni esikole, sangazivumela ukuthi-ke ziphume nomfundisi uMbhoro njengoba-ke kukholakala-ke ukuthi-ke akumele ngabe-ke iy'ngane-ke zihlala kuyena, kufanele ngabe zihlala emzini lapho-ke khona-ke umama wazo akhulela khona-ke. Isona sizathu-ke lesi-ke sesigcine sesenza-ke umfundisi uMbhoro ukuthi-ke angene nobhushu-ke ayozilanda izingane ngenkani esikoleni ngaphandle-ke kwemvume yabo-ke othisha-ke baseMatsidiso-ke Primary School.